Introducing the all-new PharmAssist, a price comparison and buying portal designed to help you manage your pharmacy purchasing with greater visibility, control and confidence. And if you're a Newmark member, it's already included in your membership. PharmAssist brings together pricing visibility, cascade control and purchasing tools in one place, helping you to make the right buying decisions quickly. If you're comparing suppliers, managing your cascade or placing an order, everything is designed to work around the way your pharmacy operates day to day. We've listened closely to feedback from members and focused on what really matters. Clearer pricing so you can see exactly where you stand. More control at the point of order so you can make informed decisions in the moment. And better visibility of your purchasing, helping you to stay on top of how your pharmacy is buying. It's not just about reporting, it's about giving you the insight to make the right decision at the right time. No extra platform fees, no additional subscriptions, just a straightforward way to manage your buying more effectively. PharmAssist, making effective buying affordable.